So now I have uncured bacon that I'm going to make meat lovers salad. And bacon, I'll show you the rest when my bacon is done. Thanks for watching, guys. We're bringing you healthy, delicious keto meals. So I have today is my colorful romaine rainbow salad for meat lovers as well. So I have colorful romaines that I have washed them. I do is just break them in half. In big pieces, I like them big pieces. And just break them in half. So now we got enough lettuce for the bowl. I don't want to overcrowd with the lettuce. So now my next ingredients is my all-time favorite red cabbage that I shredded earlier. Okay, so it gives you a nice and a lot of vitamin C, vitamin D, which is great for your body. And now I have some baby tomatoes. So what? So my next ingredients is my cucumbers. I have some English cucumbers. They're nice and juicy, less seeds than the other fatty ones, but these are really good. And I think you can eat as much as you want. These are like, and it makes your... Next one, we got the superfood. You must have avocado every day. One avocado, like your one-a-day vitamin. That's doctor recommended. Okay. Dr. Misbuke. Remember, guys, so you dress them up and make sure you don't smoosh them. Now my next ones is gonna be your shallot. You know the French onions? They're very sweet, so they're not like your one. I know they have little carbs, but again, you're not gonna be eating a lot, so just a little bit. So now I have some boiled eggs. Day before, I fridged them so they don't fall apart, but obviously they still do. Now my next one is gonna be my all-time favorite. Oh my God, this is my dessert. Look at my bacon lovers. Now we have Parmesan. You have to have Parmesan, right? And everybody will love it. So now I have some olives cured from Turkey, and these are the best. And they have pits, so I didn't want to take the pits out. Then they get smushed, and so make sure you don't bite into them. Again, carrots. So what, right? Another no for keto lovers. I think that's pretty much it. Other than now, I'm going to dress this baby up. So in the dressing, I use crushed garlic. And this is the best way to crush it. So if you make them real small, crushed, then the damage is minimal. Oh my goodness, look. That's all I can squeeze. Favorite oil. Remember, always use some olive oil is the best oil you can use when you're on keto, any other time, or avocado oil. But avocado oil does not have any flavor, and I like lots of olive oil. Balsamic vinaigrette, no carbs, no sugar, nothing. It's just grapes. Sea salt and a little bit, just a little bit, just sprinkle. Yep. Then the pepper, little bit, red flakes, chili peppers, which I like my food always spicy, like myself. Spicy. Use your finger. Your finger is very useful tool for everything. Perfect. Now I'm not gonna pour it yet because my salad will get soggy. So I'll wait till my dinner chicken and my mash coming up. So make sure you come back for those videos. And we're learning to eat healthy, guys. Hey, happy 2021.